Hey everyone, just a quick video today. Welcome to Geeksvana. We have the first of a few regulation updates coming from the CAA on the channel this week. Some more important than others, but this first one impacting class markings is probably the most significant confirmation of the lot. As you may already know, the UK currently recognises EU drone class markings, so C labels, for use in the UK as if they were UK labels with all of the benefits, etc., until the end of next year, 2027. However, one of the issues that has been a focus of UK drone flyers is what about at the end of the transitional period when the C label allowance runs out and suddenly most of the drones we fly are relegated to legacy A3 airspace? Well, there's some good news here. First up, this is the until now embargoed release from the CAA. A manufacturer may enable their customers to retrospectively class mark their drone under the UK class marking scheme. It is not the role of the CAA to oversee this process and is purely at the discretion of the manufacturer to undertake. So there we have it, the UK airspace regulator, who is also the recognised body overseeing the UK drone label system, will allow manufacturers to send out labels to allow their customers to switch from one label to another, or actually in this case, rather add the UK 1, 2, etc. labels to their drones. The ball is now in DJI's court and we will have an update from China for you very soon on that. In the meantime, to hear from the CAA directly, roving reporter and Geeksvana co-host Graham Degg grabbed a quick comment from Jonathan Nicholson of the CAA at the Photography and Video Show in Birmingham. He recorded this on his mobile, so please keep that in mind.
So here we are at the CAA stand at the Photography and Video Show 2026, and I'm here with Jonathan Nicholson from the CAA. Jonathan, key question, what is the question you've been asked the most from drone flyers over the last few days?
Oh, we've been asked thousands of questions, I reckon, but probably the one that keeps coming up is retro class marks. So with the class marks coming in at the beginning of January, people who've bought a drone recently, keen to find out if, and possible, is it possible to retro class mark them? Answer to that is it's really up to DJI. So they're the people that would decide whether something meets a class mark, and it's entirely up to them. If they want to retro issue official DJI class mark stickers to people, they absolutely can. That's fine with us. It will be a commercial decision they make.
Okay, so that's a decision made essentially by the Marketing Surveillance Authority. It's the CAA.
Yeah.
To say they are able to do that under your control of the market.
Yeah, we don't take a drone apart and go, oh, this meets X class mark. It's purely decided by the manufacturer. So if the manufacturer is happy putting a specific mark on a specific drone, that's their call. They can absolutely do that.
Thank you, Graham, for getting that clip today. I really do appreciate it. Not in his comfort zone there at all. I thought you did really, really well. He was there at the show actually carrying the flag for his new operation Unmanned Support, which is the new UK drone trade body for everybody through from hobbyist all the way through to commercial operations. There's a link in the description so you can go and support Graham's work getting to the bottom of regulatory issues and speaking to the CAA, etc., representing drone flyers from only £5 per year. So back to the subject in hand, and there really should not be too much issue in terms of misinterpretation or confusion here. You absolutely can and will be able to update your C label drones with a UK label. The question will be which of the drone models DJI will apply the standards to. Personally, I expect it to be a fairly wide allowance on most models, mainly because the EU and UK standards are almost identical, so the work required is low. I say low, obviously these things always cost a lot of money, but there we go. In fact, the work Geeksvana is carrying out with DJI Enterprise here in the UK, we've already seen existing models of Enterprise drones get a UK label update, prolonging the operational shelf life of some expensive bits of kit. So hopefully that carries across onto the prosumer and consumer side of things. Once all the announcements are out this week, we will be having a live show to deeper dive what has actually happened with Graham, of course. So if you're new here, hit the subscribe button to find out more about these changes and lots of other drone related content coming your way. Sean out.